Okay, now the question is, how can I overcome the pressure while doing IELTS reading part 3? Right? Yeah, you can wash your face. Okay, and you can depressurize yourself. Say, yeah, take long breath and then you can depressurize yourself. That is also one of the ways to do it. Listen, when you reach IELTS passage 3 reading, your brain stops working. Yeah, the feeling is like दिल चाह रहा होता है अपने आप को मारने लग जाऊं. Yeah, sometimes see what is this? I don't know. One passage is left. सारा दिमाग खराब कर दिए. You know, someone is doing something, उसको आप छेड़ें तो वो कहता है कि जी मैं दिल चाह रहा है कि अपने आप को ही मारना शुरू कर दूं. So when you reach passage 3, the first thing is you should calm down. And by the way, that is only possible if you practice a lot. Like at home, if you solve reading tests and you monitor your feelings when you reach part 3, so most definitely you can de-stress yourself. Second, for part 3 you should have a good action plan. What are the questions in part 3? Number 1, yes, no, not given. Number 2, multiple choice questions. Number 3, there can be which paragraph contains the following information. So you should see which is the easiest type of questions. You can start with easiest type of questions and then gradually you can go on and then you can come towards the difficult ones. So if you have basically a plan for part 3, I mean it's not necessary, like in part 3 they give you questions from questions 26 to 40, right? So it's not necessary that you start from 26. Like if you see the last 5 questions are sentence completion, I will start from there. Right? So you start from there. And some questions in IELTS reading, some questions only need your scanning techniques to understand. Try to do those questions first. Some questions need too much information or in-depth knowledge of the passage. For that, you can do those questions towards the end. So just try to focus. Which question should I do first? Like हंडिया पहले पकानी है कि रोटियां पहले बनानी है कि स्वीट डिश पहले पकानी है, फिर क्या होगा? Yeah, you know the ladies when they work, स्वीट डिश पहले ही बना के फ्रिज में रख देते हैं. Yeah, उसके बाद हंडिया, उसके बाद एंड पे रोटियां और सैलड भी या पहले या बाद में. So you should know where to start and have an action plan and that will be fine, right?